Colorful magic glowing ice cubes. Amazing looking in dark atmosphere. These LED cube lights are waterproof and can be immersed in liquids, making a fun way to enhance drinks.
Our ice cubes are high-quality clear acrylic. When placed in liquid, our cubes automatically turn on and change colors.
Put it in the glass, pool, bathtub or fountain. It can create a romantic atmosphere. LED luminous colorful star night light. Romantic starry skylights. Selected high-quality materials. Battery-powered. Wire-free use anytime, anywhere. 9 colors change color. Soothing and good mood. Create a romantic atmosphere. Sleeping light for children's room. Dating light for couples. Bohemian floor light. Absolutely adorable. Nice and bright at night, casts shadows from the cutouts on the wall, and the colors are perfect for the office. This little light is magically spectacular. It smells really good. Leaves a really cool pattern on the wall that reminds me of sacred geometry or flowers on ceiling. It would be great for kids or adults like myself. Rainbow sunset light. The light is really bright and stretches far. The feet move and the head can be removed. It's magnetic. Tap the touch switch to turn on or off the night light. Long press to adjust the brightness you want has provided you a romantic space. Changing colors is super easy. 3D 360-degree rotation. Magnetic buckle, easy to install and remove.